Clearbrow, North Dallas, 22 Ford Raptor, full wrap XPEL Ultimate Plus with a 5-year ceramic coating over that, and XR Plus window film all the way around, limo, and 70 on the windshields, and limo, 5% is what limo is, on the moonroof. So let's take a walk around this and take a look at what we got. So starting here, wrapping in the full hood, the fenders, wrapping all the way around, no lines, wrapping into this area nice and tight, nothing showing. This guy here, we're just super tight here. People break these taking them out and the parts are not available, so we just got our line super tight against the plastic. I know they do come out, but sometimes the clips break and our dealer doesn't have any, so we do what we can do. Coming up on the hood, fully wrapped in behind here, all one piece, custom, no patterns, everything wrapped around this edge, no edging. This valance is done as well, fully wrapped around. Here's our finishing our hood, coming across that surface nice and clean, and then of course coming back into this recessed area. Other side, hood fully wrapped in, and our fender fully wrapped in. Coming into here, fully wrapped in one piece. All this wrapped in, so there's no gaps anywhere on this, including the area where we didn't take these out in the event they broke. We didn't want to avoid that, or we didn't want to have anything to do with that. Coming up, wrapping in here, and then coming up to our A-pillar, all one piece, wrapped into the door, wrapped into the windshield area, all the way down. Wrapped into here, mirrors are all one piece, all one section. Fenders all the way down. Didn't do the wheel flares, so nothing to show there. Again, our doors all wrapped in behind the handles. All this wrapped in under here. B-pillar's done. I'll get up top of this roof. Okay, so on the roof, sorry about the smudges. We got to wipe it down again. Wrapped into the glass all the way down. Wrapped into the moonroof. All the way across, one piece, no sections to cheat and save money. It's all one piece, so there's no seaming. There's no seaming anywhere on this car. Everything's one section. These doors all wrapped in behind that rubber. There's the back door on the passenger side, and here's the front door on the passenger side. Everything's great. No marks in the film, no lift lines, no adhesive marks, zero. Everything just looks fantastic. Lights in the back, all wrapped in. These are taken out, piece of cake. Wrapped fully in, wrapped fully under, all the way under here. Wrapped into this plastic area. And coming around the back, pretty much the same. So there you go, folks. 22 Raptor. Oh, forgot one other thing. This is all wrapped into the rear window. So this is that A-pillar coming from the front windshield all the way around down here. No sections except for at the bottom. This is a plastic cover. And that's it. So 22 Raptor with XPEL products. Best in the industry, thickest. Serves its test of time. I've got customers that come in here still with the old Ultimate from about 8 years ago, and looks great. So you're looking for a 10-year guarantee film, lifetime installation warranty. Tint is lifetime and transferable. We also allow free replacement on that window film if it's XR Plus. If you damage it, it's fully covered under its warranty, but it doesn't cover you chipping it with a seatbelt buckle or your golf clubs or whatever you got. So if you guys need something, let us know. ClearbrowNorthDallas.com, 940-703-8301. Thank you.